On that day, we're heading back from Kahului, just myself and my wife and three of our kids. I look at the sky, start to get the smoke, came out and start to surround it around the whole town. I knew it's a fire, but I also recognized that the fire is getting bigger and coming down so fast. And I figured out it might be better for us to turn around, go back to the other side to find a place for us to stay.
After 1 week, 2 weeks, we don't even know what to do. And then about going 3 weeks, my neighbors, she called me, hey, you know what, let's go sign up for, we need to go registration. We're thankful for the FEMA because they're helping us for the shelter for the next 8 months here at the Royal Lahaina. Then also they help us some funds, and then also to moving to Kilohana.
I'm so excited about moving to Kilohana. I know it's gonna be experience. It's like a new home, new town. It's gonna be a different life up there. So I'm so happy, so happy, especially for my kids. They can have to play, get time to play around, get time to riding their bicycle, and to meet some new peoples out there. I'm so excited, yeah, for move to our new homes. Yeah, we are very appreciated, and I'd like to say thank you for the FEMAs and all the different departments they were involved during the fire time and even now.
Since I migrated to the United States, I came straight to Lahaina. It's always warm welcome. Lahaina is a very special place for us, and we always love Lahaina, and we always be in Lahaina forever.